English script. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Granblue Fantasy Relink if it won't launch, keeps crashing, freezes, or fails to start on your PC. We'll go through several proven solutions that have helped many players resolve startup and crashing issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Granblue Fantasy Relink. Right-click the game and select Properties. On the left side, click Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game files and automatically repair any corrupted or missing files. Wait for the verification process to finish. Once it's complete, launch the game and see if the problem has been resolved. Solution 2. If the issue continues, go back to your Steam library. Right-click Granblue Fantasy Relink and select Properties. Open Installed Files. Then click Browse. When the game folder opens, locate granbluefantasyrelink.exe. Right-click the executable file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Also enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then click OK. Now launch the game again and check if it starts correctly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install the latest graphics driver available for your GPU. After the update is complete, restart your computer and launch the game again. Solution 4. If your PC uses an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Click the Drivers tab. Then click Check for updates. If a newer graphics driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer and try launching Granblue Fantasy Relink again. Solution 5. Open the download link you'll find in the description of this video. Scroll down until you see the x86 version. Click vc_redis.x86 to download it. Then click vc_redis.x64 to download the 64-bit version. After both files have finished downloading, locate them in your Downloads folder. First, double-click vc_redis.x64. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Accept the license terms and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. When it's finished, click Close. Do not restart your computer yet. Now double-click vc_redis.x86. Click Yes if prompted. Accept the license terms and install it as well. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both packages have been installed successfully, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch Granblue Fantasy Relink again and check if the issue has been resolved. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix Granblue Fantasy Relink if it's not launching, crashing, freezing, or failing to start on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Granblue Fantasy Relink tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.